Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, I've got a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and we're going to go over how you'd remove this exterior, well, the driver's side mirror. And so, first we start off, we've removed the door panel, because we need to remove the door panel to be able to get to this electrical connector to undo it, and to be able to get here, to remove that. So we have this, this is the motor control unit for the mirror, and we just need to unhook this one wire. We're pressing the clip and undoing it, and then we've got these clips here that you can either pull out and then go like that. So with that up there, now we can undo these 3 bolts here, which are a size 10. Alright, so with those 3 bolts removed, then we can hold it, and we have a little tab. We just push down to be able to get it to pull out, and now you can just pull out the whole assembly here to be able to replace this if you need to. This is an LED light right there, and then we got more LED here. But if this thing is broken in one shape and you need to replace it, that's how you remove it. So when you got a new one, you go through the repeat process, or backwards, put it back on, line up the bolts, and then you work it back in, and that tab will hold it on while you get your 3 nuts to put back on there. Okay. Then we tighten those back up into place. Run our electric back down here and hook it up, and then you would go ahead and put the door cover, interior door cover, back on. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.